would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my dreams. Do I need a doctor, do I just need sleep? 'Cause I